Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly remake game crashes to setup, crashing to desktop, freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to try these in launch options. You can try -dx11 or -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. Then in the launch options type -dx11 first. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties. This time type -dx12. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to run the game from the game installation folder, or try to run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now double click this Fatal Frame 2 exe file and try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode from the drop down here, select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down here, select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been completed, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select your Windows operating system and then click on find. Then you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue and then select the custom advanced option. So check mark this custom advanced option and then hit on next and then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow and then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Fatal Frame 2 game folder and then select this Fatal Frame 2 exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall and then click on change settings, then click on allow another app, then click on browse and then again go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Fatal Frame game folder and then select Fatal Frame 2 exe file and then click open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Fatal Frame 2 game folder, and then select Fatal Frame 2 exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select the high performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. And then in the general tab, you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Turn it off. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay, disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razor Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake game from your PC. Then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake game crashes at a startup, crashing to desktop, or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.